Welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So, how do you hire a really good sales manager, right? And here is the only way to hire a good sales manager is don't hire a sales manager, right? Outsource to a sales company that has the sales manager to manage the team for you, okay? That's all built in, right? Why the hell are you trying to rebuild Rome when Rome's already been built for you, right? You have to have a sales team anyway. So outsource that. If you're giving your internal sales team 15% and they suck on conversion, who cares then? Get rid of that, pay an outside sales team that, oh, by the way, comes with a sales manager that runs all that. Pay them 20 to 25%. Your conversion rates go out the roof. Happy frickin' days. Don't hire a sales manager, outsource it to a sales company. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear